Welcome, one and all, to Fridge Cam.
We are Sorted Food, and today, this happens.
Oh. Now, last time we did one of these Step Up to the Plates, Mr. Gordon Ramsay retweeted. Chef Gordon Ramsay tweeted us. So the bar's been set.
Was it polite though?
Nope.
One of 2 trained chefs and one of 3 normal guys will be picked at random to work together to create an attention-grabbing, head-turning dish. There will be prerequisites. Time limits.
1 minute remaining.
Mystery ingredients. All tied together by a shameless internet-y challenge. But who will it be today?
Well, you're nearest it, you pick it.
You pick it.
The normal is Mike.
You're in, boy.
I'm actually gonna do one.
Pick a chef.
Have you won or lost?
It's debatable. Evers, it's me and you!
Mealtime, we got dinner.
Yes! I'll go for dinner.
Is it sweet or savoury?
So
then?
is it
Dinner
normal
or
course
dessert?
dinner or is it dessert, pretty much? Yes, mate. Yes! Get in.
What's
this
this?
is gonna be good.
And now it's time for the boys to crowbar the format name in as if it were the 90s.
Right.
Shall we
Let's balance.
step up
It's like
to
the
the plate?
Siamese lift.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna use a knee. I'm using a knee.
Get your lip.
There we go. You ready?
Shall I read this?
Savoury dinner for whom?
I'm actually quite nervous. Hashtag sing for your supper. Today you must create a dish for Tony Award-winning Late Late Show host, James Corden. Take into consideration all of his roles he has starred in to help you craft a personalised dish. Create a video that sells the dish to James Corden using the art of theatre and song.
I'm great backstage.
As your ultimate goal is to receive an invite onto his show. Who wrote that?
I mean, I'm all for New Year's resolutions. That is ridiculous.
What? Are you having a laugh? Do you know who we are?
Should we hashtag sing for your supper?
Yeah.
As usual, the chaps have access to the effervescent sorted food larder, containing some of the globe's most exotic ingredients, such as brown bread.
Savoury dinner, James Corden. The best thing that I've seen that he was in was One Man, Two Governors.
Yeah, that was amazing.
I like the idea of doing one thing that plays off two, if that makes sense.
Right. Now,
It's like a big fusion thing.
this is all I've got. Cordon bleu.
Something cordon bleu. I like that. I like the fact there's lots of ingredients here that could be into the woods.
Nice. He's a big West Ham fan. East End of London.
That's nearly ham.
That's where proper pies come from. So let's do a pie that's got a cordon bleu cheese sauce over the top. So it's trying to be 2 things.
Yep.
I'm not confident.
No.
I could run and get some chicken or some veal so that we could do a cordon bleu
We could do a cordon bleu.
that's also a pie
We could do cordon bleu
in pastry.
Wellington.
Okay.
If you were to get a couple of chicken breasts, we have the blue cheese, we can fry off some bacon, do like a bacon and blue cheese thing that we can then pane Kiev style. So it's like cordon bleu.
Yep. Wellington.
Does it need the pastry? I don't know.
Okay, right. We need a time limit. What's our time limit?
You have half an hour.
You have an hour.
1 hour.
Starting in 3, 2, 1.
See, mate.
I lost my wallet last week, so you'll have to pay for it.
Haha, I left that there.
Let's go.
Ben, you're gonna have to go. You're gonna have to go for me. I think I broke my kneecap.
While Mike's out, I'm going to tackle some of the root vegetables that we can decide what and how we're going to serve with. Got some parsnip, some beetroot, some mushrooms, some thyme. These are all things that we can kind of roast off. And I'm also going to make the filling. I'm going to cook the bacon and mix it into a cream cheese, blue cheesy kind of sauce. I've been reliably informed that he is a West Ham supporter.
Yeah,
we
massive
have
West Ham
ham in the
supporter.
form of like pancetta going on.
Smart.
And therefore, what about if we make it the colours of the team kit?
Claret and blue.
If you say so.
Right, okay, so you've got claret and blue, cordon, claret and blue.
Whilst we wait for Mike, I'm thinking, what else can I do to get ahead? We'll get the pané station ready. That's flour, egg, and breadcrumb. And we'll prep our sprouts.
Oh, he's
Mike's back! Mike's back! Or it's an Amazon delivery for Mike for a shoot last week.
Right, now, bear with me. This ham is from West Hampstead, so it's ham from West Ham. We could use it. Got some chicken. And I've got some puff pastry.
Now you're back, Mike. Of your hour left, you have 40 minutes. 40.
That was not 20 minutes. I know exactly when I left, and that wasn't 20 minutes ago, you friggin' liar. That was 11 minutes ago I left.
What I like is you've come back with big breasts, and that's what we want because we want to make a nice pocket inside for chicken Kiev.
So James Corden is famous for carpool karaoke, hosting the Late Late Show, a UK sitcom called Gavin and Stacey, which was absolutely massive and brilliant. He's a big West Ham United fan. He was also in the History Boys film. He hosts a sports show comedy panel show called A League of Their Own, which is absolutely amazing. He was in One Man, Two Governors, the theatre show in the UK, which was also amazing. He's friends with Harry Styles. You can see we're getting a bit dubious here. And he was in Into the Woods. Now, they're just the things that are on the top of our heads, but I think we've got enough to link this dish to that, including a horrible pun using his name. So I think they're set. It's one dish, but from two inspirations, because cordon bleu is traditionally pork or veal. We're using chicken, which is a bit like chicken Kiev. It's cordon bleu and chicken Kiev in one. One dish, two inspirations. Right. The claret and bleu is we're making a claret beetroot mash. So this, believe it or not, is an actual picture of our dish. And if it looks like that, then we are not going to get noticed.
What's the mash going to look like?
Have you got a red pen?
Yes.
It all seems very, very calm here. You do have just 15 minutes left.
Mike, have you cooked anything yet?
No, haven't touched a thing.
Well, yeah, but you decided what you were making, went to the shop, came back, and now you're making something different.
Right, I'm going to get a picture of West Ham's home kit up, Ben. Mm-hmm. Other UK-based betting services are available.
Smash those. So we've roasted off some beetroot with thyme, olive oil, salt and pepper. We've blended it up with cream. And this is going to give us our claret colour.
What is that? What are you doing? I know what that is. We should probably explain what is in that bottle.
Spirulina.
It's a blue thing.
It's a blue algae. So this is a great little food substance that you get put in a lot of smoothies, ice creams. It's not very good with heat because it kind of changes, but we can start to get something that's a bit more clarity
Oh, okay.
rather than pink.
So I'm going to make a cheese sauce because melted cheese looks great, doesn't it?
Oil.
Flour into butter.
I still don't know if Mike knows what they're making.
There are 6 minutes left. 6 minutes? I tripled. Sorry. I see Mike still dancing from the back.
Yeah, it's a nice little bum wiggle.
Isn't it?
If I was to say 2 minutes.
Then I'm just going to add some cream and season our mash, and we will be super close.
Right, Ebbers, have you got a plan?
So I'm going to do
A side of veg.
seasonal sides into
Yeah,
the
you
woods.
legend. I like that. You really want to get Into the Woods in, don't you?
It's a great
Is that
film.
because it's the only reference you know?
No, One Man, Two Governors, I've seen. Into the Woods, I've seen. Gavin and Stacey, I've seen. I'm not going to lie, I haven't seen him play at West Ham.
He's not a footballer.
1 minute remaining.
Throw your cheese in your sauce, Mike. Let's not use that.
Nice.
I mean, that is like,
I rushed it.
you did rush it.
Wow, did you use that extra stretchy flour?
What a weird state. It's like,
That was minging.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, One step away down from the plate.
Cordon, carrot, blue.
No, claret and blue.
Yeah, cordon.
I thought you said carrot and blue.
Oh no, no carrot anywhere near it. Parsnips, white carrots.
That looks fantastic.
We made it.
Well, you made it. You've done a great job.
I feel like I've stepped up to the plate. I feel like it's your turn to step up to the plate and attract his attention.
I might need some help.
It was a late showtime. But we got there thanks to Ben. And we made this deep fried cheesy chicken for the man that is James Corden. Now James, we hope you see this dish, cause we based the whole thing on you. We wanna make history, boys, be in a league of their own. So this is called a claret and blue. It's deep fried chicken with a cheese and bacon cheddar. Keep up! With ham from West Ham for a fan of the hams. Walk up! Don't feel bad, fill your guts, there's some veg, you can leave it. Eat up! Tell your governors, this is Corden, claret and blue. Created just for you. There are no carrots in this anyway, so your Peter Rabbit won't care. This is Corden, claret and blue. Created just for you. James Kimberly Corden. There are no carrots in this anyway, so your Peter Rabbit won't care.
Cordon, claret and blue with ham, West Ham, veg that will feel like you're going into the woods.
You've been clutching at straws in this one, haven't you?
You still don't know what you've made, and I really like it.
What I do know is it's going to be delicious, so dig in.
So, James, if you don't invite us over to LA to taste this for yourself, then we're going to tell you what it tastes like right now.
Oh, it's my kind of chicken.
You made your food hell, mate.
Crispy. Well, we had to get the blue in there somewhere, didn't we?
That is beautiful.
That is so good.
Did you make a dish for James Corden just for yourself, Mike?
No, because I didn't make any of this dish.
Get into the veg. There's some mushrooms, some hammy sprouts.
Forked each other, we intertwined. You go.
I'm not a blue cheese fan, but that's delicious.
If we can't get it to James Corden, we're going to need your help to attract his attention.
If you're sat in the fast lane in LA, therefore in traffic, and see him go by in the carpool lane, then don't forget to shout out and tell him to watch this video.
Hello, Harry Styles. We know you watch. Could you pass this on to James, please?
If you're a lesbian vampire, just before James kills you, just mention this video to him.
Or just cook the dish for yourself at home. It's delicious.
I hope we do get on the Late Late Show.
I know, it's quite a pun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it is. Now, our first club letter has already gone out, and if you missed it, then you're missing out. Make sure you don't miss the second one. It's got loads of stuff about all the book stuff that's happening and some behind the scenes stuff too. Sign up in the link downstairs.
Now, our next video that comes out is going to be made personal. You've been asking this for ages, and we're bringing it back in a much more casual form and something we can do more regularly. Now, up first is our mate, James.
James Alistair Curry.
No, yeah, him.
That one.
I forgot, I was like, Alistair, who's Alistair? Yeah, him.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video,
Like it,
if you haven't subscribed,
subscribe to it,
if you haven't commented down below,
comment on it.
and we will see you
Later.
Yes.
All right, bye.
Bye.